1 Minute APEI by APER. 3 October 2024. Australia. Swiss-based Emerald Technology removes harmful chemicals down under. China. Hongshan et al. Promote fintech development in Hong Kong. India. Peak 15 to downsize its 2022 funds. Unilever Ventures backs luxury skincare in India. Japan. Bain to take control of mobile phone retailer. South Korea. Bain Capital in battle against MBK in Korea Zinc. Han & Co. revises terms in its partial exit of Hanan Systems. Malaysia. EQT Foundation joins venture investors in sustainable farming. Join us on 4th and 5th December 2024. The IAPEI online workshop on deal structuring and valuation. Expert-led, data-powered live Asian case studies. Visit www.asiapei.com for more.